Welcome to Ilm Engineering Tamil. QC Inspector Piping or Welding Interview Question and Answers. What is the ASME code for design of piping system in process piping, refineries and chemical industries? ASME B31.3. API stands for American Petroleum Institute. ASTM stands for American Society for Testing and Materials. AWS stands for American Welding Society. ASME stands for American Society for Mechanical Engineers. ASIS stands for American Iron and Steel Institute. ANSI stands for American National Standards Institute. ASME B31.1 Power Piping. ASME B31.2 Fuel Gas Piping. ASME B31.3 Process Piping. ASME B31.4 Pipeline Transportation System for Liquid Hydrocarbons. ASME B31.5 Refrigeration Piping. ASME B31.8 Gas Transmission and Distribution Piping System. ASME B31.9 Building Service Piping System. ASME B31.11 Slurry Transportation Piping System. ASME Section 1 Rules for Construction of Power Boilers. ASME Section 2 Materials. Part A Ferrous Material, Part B Non-Ferrous Material, Part C Specification for Electrodes and Filler Wires, Part D Properties. ASME Section 4 Rule for Construction of Heating Boilers. ASME Section 5 NDT Non-Destructive Testing. ASME Section 6 Rule for Care and Operation for Heating Boilers. ASME Section 7 Rules for Care and Operation for Power Boilers. ASME Section 8 Rules for Construction for Pressure Vessels, Division 1 and 2. ASME Section 9 Welding and Brazing Qualification. ASME B16.2 and ASME B16.21. ASME B16.20 Metallic Gasket. ASME B16.21 Non-Metallic Gasket. ASME B16.11 Forged steel socket and threaded fittings. ASME B16.9 and ASME B16.28. ASME B16.9 Steel butt welding fittings. ASME B16.28 butt welded short radius elbow and return bends. ASME B16.1 ASME B16.5 and ASME B16.47. ASME B16.1 Cast iron pipes, flanges and flange fittings. ASME B16.5 Carbon steel pipes, flanges and flanged fittings up to 24 inch. ASME B16.47 Large diameter steel flanges above 24 inch. ASME B 16.10 and ASME B 16.34. ASME B 16.10 face to face and end to end dimensions of valves. ASME B 16.34 flanged and butt welded end steel valves. ASME B 36.10 and ASME B 36.19. ASME B 36.10 welded and seamless wrought iron fittings. ASME B 36.19 stainless steel pipes. How can flanges be classified based on pipe attachment? 1. Welding neck. 2. Socket. 3. Screw. 4. Slip-on. 5. Lap joint. How can flanges be classified based on pressure temperature rating? 1. 150 class and 2. 350 class, 3. 450 class, 400 class and D 600 class, E 900 class, 1500 class, 2500 class. How can flanges be classified based on facing? Flat face, raised face, trunk and crew, male and female, ring type. How can flanges be classified based on the face finish? Smooth finish, serrated finish. Where the smooth finish flange and serrated finish flange find its user. Smooth finish flange used metallic gasket, serrated finish flange used non-metallic gasket. Where are the types of serrated finish provided on flange face? Concentric, spiral or phonography. How the serration on flanges is specified? The serration on flanges is specified by the numbers which is arithmetic average rough height AARH. How the gaskets are classified based on the type of construction? Full face, spiral wound metallic, ring type, metal jacketed, inside bolt circle. What is the most common used material for gasket? Compressed asbestos fiber. Which type of gasket is recommended for high temperature and high pressure application? Spiral wound metallic gasket. What are the criteria for selection of spiral wound metallic gasket winding material? The corrosive nature and concentration of fluid being carried, the operation temperature of fluid, the relative cost of the alternative winding material. What are the most common material used for spiral wound metallic gasket winding? Astantic stainless steel 304 with asbestos fiber, Astantic stainless steel 316 with asbestos fiber, Astantic stainless steel 321 with asbestos fiber. Which material is used as a filter material for spiral wound gasket in case of high temperature service? For very high temperature service, graphite filler is used. What is the centering ring in the connection to the spiral wound gasket? Spiral wound gaskets are provided with carbon steel external ring that are called centering ring. What will be the AARH finish on flange face for using spiral wound gasket? 125 to 250 AARH finish. On which type of flange the use of spiral wound gasket are restricted? ASME B16.5 does not recommend the use of 150 class rating spiral wound gasket on the flanges other than weld neck and lap joint type. Up to what temperature limit the low strength carbon steel bolt should not be used for flanged joint? Flanged joint using low strength carbon steel shall not be used above 200 degrees Celsius or below minus 20 degrees Celsius. How the pipe fittings are classified based on end connections? Socket weld fittings, screwed weld fittings, butt weld fittings, spike cord socket fittings, buttress end fittings. Up to what temperature the carbon steel material shall be used? Carbon steel material shall be used for temperature up to 425 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Leave your comments and questions in the comment section. Thank you.